Okay, today I'm gonna make kombucha, so we'll start measuring. I'll do a cup of green tea. Like this jasmine green tea. You could use anything you want. But black tea and green tea usually works better than other flavored tea. Anything with oil, essential oils, doesn't do well. You could do half a cup if you're doing a smaller batch, but I'm doing a big batch. So do a cup of that into this big baby. But we are going to stick in here first with the hot water. Oh well. Get that going. So we'll put hot water in that. Let me put water in this. Because once we extract the hot tea out, then we're going to put the sugar, brown sugar or white sugar, whatever sugar you have. But it doesn't use with substitute sugar, artificial sugar. It doesn't work. You need glucose, so the probiotic will grow. And you could use any kombucha. I already had old kombucha already done. See how this is? Down here is a scoopy. When you buy something, you always want to buy something with it's a little cloudy or on top. Those are the mother of the scoby. Those are the actual probiotic. So I'm going to use that, and I'll use something else too. If someone have weak stomach, close your eyes. This is the real scoby. Once it became a scoby already, it takes its form. It takes the shape of whatever your jar is. If the jar is small, it's small. That's the bottom part, and this was the top part. Then eventually, as you get good probiotic going, this will keep on growing layer. It will get up to thick and it will take up the whole space of your jar. So I love this. You can separate it. You can make probiotic kombucha. So this, I sometimes slice it up, saute it lightly in garlic and butter or ghee, whatever you guys want. Or I'll slice it. It's like oyster, the texture of oyster, but it has a tang to it. And kombucha, I think it has some alcohol, but very minute alcohol in it. So if someone is very sensitive to alcohol, you shouldn't have kombucha. But this is great. Natural probiotic. You need to go buy it. The chicken will love this too. It's really good. Okay, the water's going nicely. And I'll use a cup of sugar, so I'll sometimes two, but usually a cup of dry tea and a cup of sugar, and I'll use that whole jar. That's probably about 2 to 3 gallons. So I'll fill that up with water. Mine is a reverse osmosis with the UV light, which is good. I love it. It's hot. Now I'm going to pour it into green tea. That's actually 2 cups of water. Sorry, not 1 cup. So sorry. And I'm gonna let it sit a little bit to extract. Actually, I'm gonna put sugar in it now. So I'll have to do it later so that it melts together and I'll extract. Finish up this organic brown sugar and I have another. Sorry, it's not brown sugar. It's just organic sugar, so it's brown because it hasn't been bleached. Where's my baby? Here we are. Stew and cut. When you deal with kombucha, don't use metal. Always use a wooden stick or plastic, but I like wooden better. That's it. So I could pour in a little more water because it's nice and hot already. There we go. And I will wait. Okay. I'm gonna stir one more time. It didn't sit long. Sit probably like 10 minutes. Stirring up the sugar. So only wooden handle or plastic. No metal. When you stir, once it's already been processed, once we add the scoopy in, then you don't want to put metal. Pour this hot baby in here. Waste. I like to get every single thing. Just add a little more water. Clean the rim out. There we go. Press it. All the juices out. Chlorophyll in here. The flavonoids. Good stuff in green tea. Let's heal ourselves. Stir in because I would add just fresh distilled water already. Well, not fresh, sorry. My universal process. I add to cool water. So now it's not hot anymore, it's cool. Warm, lukewarm. So now I'll add some of my kombucha I already have. I'll save a little more. Darn, I don't have more. So, save this to drink. I'm gonna make I'm gonna add some chia seed and maybe blackberry jam. So now. SCOBY. You don't have to put SCOBY, it's fine, but I don't feel like cooking right now because I got a lot of other food to eat. So I'm just going to put this baby here, and that's it, and that's all it is. Some people will put plastic bag in to trap the air out. I want it to breathe. So what I'm going to do, instead of that, I'm going to cover like this. Get anything on it. can't find my string, so I shall MacGyver this. I used to do this when we were little, play double dutch, got big rubber band. Oh, too small. Let's do one more. It should be perfect. Just loop it through the other one. So I guess I might be able to tie a fishing knot. I was told I wasn't able to. I can if I want to, because I didn't want to. It just goes like this and just sits for months, weeks, well, definitely months. Sometimes I would cover it, if I want to make it produce faster, I would cover it with a black towel to trap the light from getting in. So the bacteria will grow more. Sunlight stops things from growing. So sometimes, and this scoby right here, it could grow down all the way down here to the bottom, to the very big chunk. I feed it to my garden, I feed it myself, I feed it to my chicken. You can do tons of stuff with that. And that's pretty it. That's the kombucha. Okay. Now, I'm going to make the flavored kombucha. So, I decided I want raspberry preserve. I want that flavor. This is seedless. Yum, yum, yum. So do like a spoonful of this for this one. And I'll just add water. And I'll smash it in also. Basically, emulsify it. I'll taste it first. I want it a little bit more sweeter. So, I'll take 2 tablespoons of this. Let this off, just finish up the whole jar then. I like 3 tablespoons. So freaking good. Seedless raspberry jam. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, looks good. Now I'm going to add my chia seed. Big bag of chia seed. I'll do 3 tablespoons for emphasis. Okay. That's 1, 2, 3. Of course, you know, put the dry first before the liquid, so the seed doesn't adhere to the funnel. Show it that on this spot. A jam! Such a great job. Chopstick. Not just good for the hair, but also for this. Here it goes. There it goes. Nice. Oh! go. After we remove it a little bit. So you want to leave a little gap because as it ferments, it will release gas and it will rise. So you want a little bottleneck. Always have a bottleneck, like beer, anything fermented, you want a bottleneck. So that's why I left a little space. Now I'm going to close it. And shaking time. Oh yeah. To disperse, if you don't shake and agitate it, the chia seed, it will coagulate and clump. So then you do it probably as if you can see through the glass, the chia will poof up. But I want to taste it first. Where's my cup? I know this is totally not ready yet. Ooh, it's good. A hint of sweet, a hint of tang. Very good. I'm proud of myself. Ooh, I got ginger. I'm gonna add some ginger now. Make it delightful and cool.